Hello friends, and welcome to this second session on simple technical trading level 1 for positional traders. And as I said, this is a unique course for active traders, and this course will be full of practical sessions and practical examples. The entire video course will be followed by an online session where you can clear your doubts, and we'll also discuss the that time's current practical current real life examples of various stocks and indices. So welcome friends, and in this is the second session, and here we are going to discuss how do we define the trends. In the first session we just discussed about what is the need for price analysis, and what is the definition, and what are the various assumptions. But now we'll go to the first concept of price analysis, and that concept is trend. So trend identification and trend reversals is what we are going to discuss today. And as you can see, we will be discussing 3 points. First, what is an uptrend? What is the technical definition of an uptrend? Similarly, what is the technical definition of a downtrend? And what is the technical definition of a trend reversal? What are the factors which lead to a trend reversal? Here I have taken two stocks for discussion purposes, and that is, one is Tata Steel and one is Tata Motors. Now let us define the uptrend. Let us go to the first point, and that is the uptrend. Friends, here I have taken the chart of Tata Steel. The period which I have taken is November 2016 till January 2018. This was a period when the stock was in an uptrend. Incidentally, friends, before I go further into the definition of uptrend, let me clarify that I am using this software. It is a web-based platform, investing.com. Those of you who do not have charting software, you can use this. This is a free software charting platform available. Just go to investing.com and register yourself, and it is a free registration, and you can use this price chart and various tools, etc. And this gives you the price charts of in fact all types of securities, whether it is Indian stocks or Indian indices, commodities, even stocks listed out of India, Dow Jones, etc. So all of that securities is available, so you can just go through that investing.com. So I'll be using these investing.com charts here. As you can see now, Tata Steel, right from 2016 November till January 2018, the stock was in an uptrend. So now let us try to define this uptrend technically. So this is the first leg of an up move, followed by a correction. Again there is a rise, again followed by a correction, and the final rise to almost 750 levels. Friends, as you can observe here, the definition of an uptrend means that we are generally, the prices are going up, but with small corrections. Now this is the, as I said in my first session also, that no price movement can be straight up or straight down. There will always be a zigzag movement, and that is where we will have to try to identify the trends. So here what you are observing is that the price from a low of 340, it rallied, it rose to 460, then it started the correction, that correction went to 386. Thereafter there was another rise almost to 660 levels. Again there is a correction, and that is around approximately 600 levels. Thereafter it gave you the final rise to nearer to 750 levels. Now therefore, the technical definition of the uptrend must include 2 points, and that is the stock must make a higher high as well as a higher low formation. Please note the word is and, it is not or, means the stock must make a higher high also as well as it should make a higher low formation. So what is the higher high? When the prices rallied the second time, the prices rallied to 660, which this is the newer high, and this is higher than the previous high of 460. Sorry. Similarly, when there was a subsequent, after the correction, there was a subsequent movement on the upside, the prices made 750 as the high, which is higher than the previous high of 660. This is the higher high formation. Now let us see the higher low formation. So right from 340, the prices rallied to 460. There was a correction thereafter, but the correction did not go below 340 and it stopped at 386. Therefore, in the process, the prices made a higher low. Thereafter, there was an up move again, 660, and again there is a correction, 596. This correction obviously does not go below the 386 levels. Therefore, 596 is higher than 386. Therefore, again the price has made a higher low formation. Therefore, please understand this technical definition is important. The price must make a higher high as well as a higher low formation. This is an uptrend. In fact, we'll in our online sessions we'll be discussing more about this, how to draw and how to identify the particular trends. Now let us try to understand the downtrend. It is obviously the mirror impact or mirror image of the uptrend. So downtrend, I have taken Tata Motors as our example here, and as we can see, right from 468 levels, the price fell to 389, then rebounded. There was a corrective rebound here, 443. Again the price fell to 324. It rebounded to 372. Again it fell to 281. It rebounded 315. And as we talk, as this recording, this date of recording, we are at almost 240 or 250 levels. So this is a clear-cut downtrend in Tata Motors. Let me define the lower high and lower low formations. So as you can see, a downtrend is nothing but when the prices are generally moving downwards but with a small correction on the upside. Here I would like to add one more point. Please note the word correction here. In a downtrend, please note very specifically that up moves are corrections. Therefore, every time the market falls does not mean that it is a correction. When you are in a particular stock, when you are in a downtrend, upward movements are actually corrections. So one thing is very clear: in an uptrend, down moves are correction. In a downtrend here, as I explained, up moves are correction. As you can observe again, lower high and lower low formation. Let me explain lower highs. So the first initial high was 468. Thereafter, in a corrective rebound, it made a high of only 443. Again it fell, it rebounded. In the corrective rise, it did not go much beyond 372. It touched a high of 372, again fell. Therefore, in the process, it has made a lower high because 372 is lower than 443. In the subsequent fall here, we see 281, a rebound to 315. In this correction also, if you observe, 315 is lower than 372, again making a lower high formation. Same way, we have seen a lower low formation also. So 389 there is a corrective rebound, a new low at 324, again a rebound, a new low at 281, again a rebound, a new low at 247. Therefore, the price continuously is making a lower low formation also. This is the technical definition of a downtrend. Therefore, till the time Tata Motors keeps making lower highs and lower lows, we will say that we are in a downtrend. Now let us see how do we define a trend reversal. Again, I am coming back to the price chart of Tata Steel. Earlier I had taken the price chart only till January 2018. Now I am taking this price chart till date, that is till August 2018. Now I have truncated the chart, and the chart is now starting from June 2017 to August 2018. That is almost a one year period. Now this uptrend we have already defined in the first section. After this uptrend, the prices, after making a high of 750, the prices fell. The prices fell nearer to around 625, 630 levels. Obviously here the trend was still intact because it had made a higher low formation. The uptrend was still intact. But there was a subsequent rebound in the price. The prices actually should have gone beyond 750, but they did not go beyond 720 levels, and they started falling again. In this fall, the prices again touched the previous low of around 632. Again they attempted a rebound. Probably this time we may have felt that now we'll see a rise again, but no. The price stopped here somewhere around less than 700, and at this point, please note the point here, at 632 this point was broken. 632 was broken here. This is the point of trend reversal. So we can say that the uptrend in Tata Steel till 750 levels has changed into a downtrend at the point where it broke the previous low of 632. Please note the definition of the reversal of an uptrend. An uptrend gets reversed when the most recent low is broken by the stock. Converse is also true. In a downtrend, the downtrend will get reversed when the most recent high is broken. Therefore, at this point the uptrend was broken in case of Tata Steel, and thereafter we are now seeing what is called a lower high lower low formation. The uptrend has changed to a downtrend. I hope I have been able to give you a very fair idea about what is an uptrend, what is a downtrend, and what is a trend reversal. Friends, in the online session we are going to discuss further on this. We'll attempt this sort of a trend reversal understanding, trend analysis and trend reversal understanding. The procedure normally we'll follow is we'll select a stock or an index. In fact, when you are registering for this online session, you can also suggest me a stock or an index. We'll carry out the trend analysis, and we will determine the trend reversal points also. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I have been able to give you a good idea about trends. Thank you, and see you in the next session. Thank you very much. This is C. Rajiv Khatawala signing off.